Wow. And it smells like pineapples. It smells like pineapples. It smells like coconut. Wow. Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer. So this is kind of what it looks like. Very nice. Very nice packaging. This is one of the best packaging for Makeup Revolution. This is just beautiful. It has, you can see your reflection. It's got a very nice glowing front. It looks like a mirror in the front as well. Really nice. I got the shade dark. Ooh, it's got a nice mirror on top. It's the new Makeup Revolution Glow Splendour Bronzer. It's an ultra matte bronzer. It comes in 6 shades. It's £8 and it's 15.5 grams. It's a really nice packaging with a nice mirror. I got the shade dark. Wow, I really love this. The mirror is so cute as well. Very nice. Wow. And it smells like pineapples. It smells like pineapples. It smells like coconut. Wow. Amazing. It's got an exotic scent to it. It's got pineapples. It's got coconut. Wow. Beautiful. It's £8 and it's drugstore, guys. Wow. I could stay here just being in exotic lands. It smells divine, guys. This came in like 6 shades, like I said. It's got love. It's got like light, from light to like deep. It's amazing, the range for dark skin girls. Thank you, Makeup Revolution, because this is like listening to what people are saying, because there's no real bronzer in the market for dark skin girls, like an affordable bronzer. So this is just spot on. I'm just gonna jump right into application. I'm gonna be using my Morphe brush. It came in a set, so it doesn't have a name. I'm just gonna dab it in. Ooh. Definitely shows up, as you can see with this side. There's nothing here and there's something here. Wow, I've just used a tiny bit. I'm gonna put some on top here. I'm just putting it in the places where I would bronze. This side is bronzed and this is not. So this is the bronze side, and it's just giving me a nice warmth to my face. Wow, most bronzers don't show up on dark skin, that's the truth. Most bronzers are just too light, and this is just amazing. And this is not the darkest shade, guys. This is like just dark. There's a deep. Wow, this is beautiful. So this is the bronze side, and this is the side not bronzed. This is very pigmented, guys. It just added warmth to my face. It just brought that extra, you know, as compared to hair that is looking a bit just, you know, plain, and this is looking snatched. Very nice. I am very impressed with this. For a drugstore for £8, is super pigmented and it's just added a bit of warmth, and I love the way it blends as well. It blends beautifully. I'm gonna now bronze up this side. This is super pigmented. This is just the best. This is the best drugstore, hands down, like period. For dark skin girls, Revolution bronzer is just bomb.com. I really can't say much. I'm just amazed at this bronzer, especially the pigment. It just showed so much, and that's really, it's super pigmented for bronzer, especially for dark skin. Most drugstore bronzers don't really show up on dark skin. It's just too light, but this just, wow, the pigments. It's very pigmented, and I just like the way it blended nicely into my skin. Like the warmth is given to my skin. I just love the way it feels. Lightweight. And most importantly, it smells divine. It smells amazing. So this is the best drugstore bronzer, hands down. Like literally 100% period. This is £8 and it's delivering. It's just giving me the nice holiday vibes today. So that's it for my review. I've got nothing bad to say about this. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. It's free. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so you see more videos as they come. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.